Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. In a saucepan, bring water to a boil. Add rice and stir. Heat a large skillet or wok for 2 minutes. When the skillet or wok is hot, pour in vegetable oil, bean sprouts and onions. Mix in cooled rice and shrimp and cook for another 3 minutes. Mix in green onions, eggs, salt, pepper, soy sauce and sesame oil.
Take our lead.
Directions. In a saucepan, combine rice and water. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 20 minutes. In a small saucepan, boil carrots in water about 3 to 5 minutes. Drop peas into boiling water, and drain. Heat wok over high heat. Pour in oil, then stir in carrots and peas. Cook about 30 seconds.
Take our lead.
Peanut oil, sesame oil, canola oil, avocado oil, and macadamia oil are all good oils to use for fried rice. All of these oils have a high smoke point which can withstand the heat of a highly heated pan or wok. Whether you like neutral flavored oils or aromatic ones, you will find an option that works for you.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Eggs, which add great flavor, texture and protein. Carrots, onions, green onions and peas. This is the base mix of veggies that I always use for fried rice, but feel free to add in other stir-fry veggies you love. See ideas below. Garlic, freshly minced. Soy sauce. I created this recipe using low-sodium soy sauce.
Take our lead.
A 1-cup serving of shrimp fried rice contains 339 calories, 238 from fried rice and 101 from shrimps, 5.4 grams of fat of which only 1 gram is saturated fat, and 24.5 grams of protein, 9. So, in general, fried rice can be good for weight loss.
Let's help you make your mark.
Make a batch of rice and spread it in a thin layer on a sheet tray. Put the tray in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. This keeps the grains from clumping. Then portion out the rice into individual freezer bags. Freeze for a couple hours and boom, dry rice, ready for frying.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.